Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Among Us and I started off really good as an imposter. Wow. Yeah, so we're playing Among Us and... Oh, dude. Okay, let's see. Where? Let's see, in electrical. Oh. No. It's pink. Pink. It's pink, dude, not me. Oh. Also pink. It's also pink. Okay. Well, I'm voted out. Goodman was an imposter. I'm gonna sabotage. Wait, how? Ha. Oh shoot. Oh. No. Stop. Okay, you're a leap. Black called her or him out. It's pink. Yeah, they can hear me. Haha, pink. Haha. Why's a guy named Pee Pee Pants? Very disturbing. Oh no, my hat. What is my cat hat? Oh my god, no! Ooh, imposter second time in a row. Awesome. I'm gonna call this dude out. I'm gonna sabotage. No. Okay, come on, second music. Come. Yay, reactor's normal. It. Oh. Okay. Where? Alright, it says where, reactor. See any sus? Or I think dark blue. He is sus. Come on, why are you gonna get dark blue out? Come on. Get dark blue out. Get dark blue out, dark blue. Trust me. 100. 100%. not black and blue, but I have to kill you. No! Why are people skipping? Now you have no proof to me. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, where's the body? That was a nice kill. Where? No. Dude. What? What the hell? Yes, blue. I was in storage. Storage. You've got to be kidding me. Jeez. Yeah. That didn't turn out well. 2. Therefore, I was in. Oh. Hold on, what I would be full of fixed. 3. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yes. 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 Purpose. Bruh. Yep. It's me. QN. Come on, hurry up. Fuck. But why would Black tell his body? That's all I'm confused about. I'm not telling. Bruh. I think because he likes to be mean to your other imposters. Yeah, true. Come on, come on. Yeah, let's go. Awesome, yeah, I was an imposter. Yay. I love being an imposter. I should go in 3. I'm gonna go in 3 imposters. Fine game, 3 imposters. Nice. Bristles. Crewmate. I'm just gonna ruin people. Ooh, I haven't let me scan. Dark green. I'm gonna vote dark green. I have scan. And dark green sus. And dark green sus. Oh my god. What am I doing? Watch scan. Watch scan. Alright, come on. If it's actually dark green, that would be funny. Hacker vote. Yellow vote. War. Oh my god. Vote. 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 Dude. Vote. Yeah, I feel like we're gonna use this dark green. Alright, most people skip. I'm gonna be skip. Oh, what? Dude, it's dark blue. I knew it. Alright, come on. Well, I'm gonna leave it off for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.